Want to know how to change the format of your video while exporting in Filmora? And in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply import your media right here and then drag it to the timeline. And once you've done your editing and stuff, just simply click on this export button right here. Now here you can see various options, my video, and you can save it to your own place, and then here you have it format. Now in order to change the format, just simply click on this drop down box right here. You can change it to MP4 to WAV, the choice is yours. And once you're done with that, just simply select export, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.